If you want to see more from me,
give it a thumbs up.
Hey guys, Ashley here. So day 7 is already here. I've already been doing this for a whole week. So yeah, so excited. But just a little 411 on yesterday's video. If you have not seen it, I'll link it up here. I did not feel good. I woke up with a severe headache. My eyes have been bothering me, but today I feel a ton better. I need to go back to the chiropractor. My back is hurting me a little bit. But we are going to get into Jake's closet today and get it decluttered and organized, because I'm just trying to figure out how I can organize it for him to keep it organized or keep it right. But I just don't think that that's possible. But Autumn is going to be here to give me some commentary. And here comes Autumn. But if you like this video,
Give it a thumbs up.
if you want to see more from me,
Give it a thumbs up.
hit the subscribe button. It's down below. It says subscribe, and it's in red.
And ring the bell. The ding-a-ling, the bell.
So
to get notifications every week whenever she uploads. Every day whenever she uploads.
yeah, for the month of August.
She's a frequent uploader.
20 days straight.
So not 10 days.
Yeah, because I am a true YouTuber. It's
Okay.
my calling. Don't you remember from IHOP? Mm-hmm.
You don't want to know.
No, you don't, and I'm not telling you. All right, we're getting into the video, guys.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and Bring that beat back.
Smart little. I just threw my phone. Drop the phone. This is how my son likes to hang his clothes. It's also how he likes to wear his clothes. It's like, hey guys, can you relate? Anybody out there? Does this drive you nuts? This is why I don't come in here. This one is on the hanger. Just needs to be up.
Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out where
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. At the crack of dawn, I imagine you waiting by my doorstep. But it won't.
Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. My clock says 49 minutes on my phone, but I was gonna do it until I stopped because stuff needs to be done. It looks 100 times better. This whole shelf up here is empty, so I'm pretty excited. I've got a tote that is in the garage, and we're gonna do the garage sometime. And I'll probably bring all of his 2 big clothes and put them in here. And we also have winter coming up and fall, and so, you know, I've got to keep room for that. I need to figure out, I need to just get them both a dresser and break down. They had one before when we lived in Louisiana, but because of the flood, we lost that, so we were just making do with what we have for now. But yes, excuse the kids in the background, you can hear that. I might get rid of a couple of his ball caps that I haven't seen him wear in a while, but this looks 100 times better.
Yeah, it does.
But if you like this video and this gave you motivation, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, please. It helps out my channel. Subscribe if you want to see more from me, and you want to stay tuned for the rest of the
20 days
of organizing and decluttering my house. What is this? Okay, but anyway, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got rid of a whole bag out of Jake's closet, and yesterday I got rid of a whole 2 bags in Aubrey's, so I forgot to put that in there. But so that's 3 trash bags full of stuff that is out of my house. We just gotta wait for it to have the yard.
In my head.
Girl, you be my love, you be my other half. That's real. Know that I be missing you when we're apart. Yeah. Felt for you the second I laid eyes on you. I believe it was fate. Meeting you was written in the stars. Yeah, real. Girl, you be my one, you be my only. Trust.